Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to check profit on Robinhood. So whether you're checking your total profit, individual stock performance, or your overall return, these I can do it step by step. Okay, open up first the Robinhood app, launch it on your iPhone or Android, sign in with your account credentials. Now go ahead and tap on portfolio value at the top of the home screen. And now here on the home screen you can look at 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, year to date, or all time, right? Different tabs. And the green number basically represents your total gain, while the red number shows a loss. So to see your total return, you want to go ahead and go to account. Okay, then click on investing, then click on total return. Okay, and basically how they calculate total return is current value minus the amount invested. And what you can also do is you can go ahead and check profit for individual stocks. So you just, tap on the stock you want to analyze, scroll down to find your position section. Just look for the total return, which is your overall profit or loss from the stock. There's also the percentage return, which is how much you've gained or lost as a percentage. There's also the equity value, which is the total value of your holdings in that stock. Okay. And you can go ahead and use the account statements as well for more insights. Just tap on account, which is the three horizontal aligned menu. Go to statements and history and just select a monthly statement to download a detailed reports of your profits or losses. And you can also check tax documents for the year to date earnings. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.